Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to find the ViewMatrix offsets for any Unity games. At first you will need IDA, you can download it from my Discord server. Also you need libunity.so, also available in my Discord server. Link is in description below. Once you have both, open IDA and load libunity.so. IDA will analyze it automatically. This takes a few minutes, just wait for it to finish. So we are looking for the ViewMatrix, right? So what is ViewMatrix? So the camera has three metrics stored in the memory. These metrics convert 3D world positions to 2D screen positions. The first one is the ViewMatrix, obviously. The second one is the projection matrix, and the third one is the view projection matrix. The third one is what you actually use for world to screen. Each matrix is 64 bytes, so they are stored right next to each other. So let's get started. What you want to do is press Shift plus F12. After that, press Ctrl plus F and search camera get world to camera matrix. As you can see, I have searched. After, press Ctrl plus X and go to the first sub. In here, press F5 to decompile this sub, and you will see LOC underscore and an offset, or you can say address. Double click. After double clicking it, you will come here. In here, you want to scroll below and look for a sub. As you can see in here, lots of R0, R4, LDM, SCM. Okay. Above it, you will see a BLX sub. This is the ViewMatrix sub we are looking for. Double click it. After that, press F5. In here, you will see return A1 plus 104. You will need to copy this 104. Okay. You can actually search or use Python. Okay, so we will use Python to convert this into hexadecimal. Type pi and hex and the number. As you can see, 0x68. You can use this directly too, but we won't use this directly. Okay, there is another way that we normally use. Okay, now we will use it like normally. That is the most commonly used method. So what you need to do is plus it with 0x40. Okay, so let's convert 0x40 to decimal. It's 64 as you can see. Remember I told you each bytes are 64. Okay, 64 byte apart each view matrices are. So since we already know that, we will just plus 104 to 64. And we get 168. Let's also convert this to hex for better understanding. This is our projection matrix. Okay, remember I already told you there are three types of matrices. This is the projection matrix. Next, we are going to find view projection matrix. Again, do same, plus it with 64. So, plus 64. And 232. This is our view matrix, or should I say view projection matrix. This is the one we will use. As you can see, 0xE8. This is the current update B7A view matrix, or should I say projection matrix, normally used in other projects. In next video, I will cover how to find get position or get node position offsets from libunity.so. Thanks for watching.